Hey everybody! Since April is National Poetry Month, we're going to be making something called found poetry or headline poetry today. All you need are some old magazines, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and some paper to glue it all down on. We're going to be cutting up our magazines, so make sure you have permission to do that before you get started. All you're going to do is you're going to flip through your magazine and find some words that you like. They might stand out to you because they're in a cool font, or it's just a neat word, and you're going to cut them out and save them for later. So that's our first step. Alright, I've cut out some words I like. Your next step is to arrange them on your paper. You don't want to touch your glue stick during this step because you want to be able to move your words around and see what you like. I think I had a theme going when I cut out my words, and you might have guessed it. I love books, so my poem is going to be about books. When you're arranging it, you might notice that you need more words like and or some punctuation like a comma or an exclamation point. So feel free to go back through the magazines and find them if you need them. Once you have your words arranged how you like, you're going to glue them down. Super easy, but you can figure out where you want them on the page before you glue them down. Alright, your poem is now done. I'm going to go ahead and share mine with you. It goes like this. Discover the book near you. Find good stuff in new directions. Dip into golden life. Time for a novel. If you make some found poetry at home, make sure to take a picture and tag us in it so we can see it. We'd love to see what you make.